In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Google Tag Manager code to HubSpot content in HubSpot. First, a quick note on why this matters. Google Tag Manager lets you deploy tracking tags and pixels without editing code on every page. Connecting it to HubSpot gives you a centralized way to manage those tags across your website content. Now I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your container ID from Google Tag Manager and add it into HubSpot. Begin by signing in to your Google Tag Manager account. Once you're logged in, look for the Workspace tab. That's where your containers live. In the Workspace area, locate the container ID. It appears in the format GTM followed by a dash and a series of letters or numbers. Highlight and copy that entire container ID so it's ready to paste. Next, switch over to HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account and then head to the main navigation bar at the top. Click the settings icon, the gear, to open your account settings. In the left sidebar of the settings screen, find the website section, and under that, select Pages. This is where HubSpot centralizes settings related to your site and content. Within the Pages area, look for the Integrations tab. Click into Integrations to reveal options for connecting external tools. You'll see an option labeled Integrate with Google Tag Manager. Check the box next to that option to enable the integration. With that box checked, a text field will appear where you can paste your container ID. Paste the GTM ID you copied from Google Tag Manager into that text field exactly as it appears, including the GTM prefix. Accuracy matters here, so double-check there are no extra spaces before or after the ID. Finally, once the ID is in place, click Save to apply the changes. HubSpot will store the connection, and your Google Tag Manager container will be associated with your HubSpot content. A couple of quick tips. Make sure you have the necessary permissions in both Google Tag Manager and HubSpot before you begin, since admin or integration privileges are typically required. If you don't see the Integrations tab or the option to add a GTM ID, contact your account admin. And if you ever need to change the ID, simply return to the same settings area. Replace the ID with the new one, and save again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added your Google Tag Manager ID to HubSpot, so you can manage tags across your site from one place.